Hi, so I'm just going to show you quickly how to install the demo version of Certdog. You can learn more about Certdog by following the links in the description below or take a look at the other videos in this channel. So let's get started. First of all, we're just going to download the software. Okay, so from a browser, just navigate to crestfield.com and go to Products and then Certdog. And then if you scroll down, you'll see there's this Get Started section, and it says follow this guide here to download and install the free version. So we're going to click that. And this is what we're going to be doing today. Okay, so we're going to locate the file to download from here, and then we're just going to run this script, and that's pretty much going to be it. Okay, so I'm going to click this link to find the file that I need, and the free version, demo version, is available to download here. So click that, and that will just take a few seconds depending on your speed, network speed, to download. Okay, once that's downloaded, let's open the folder where it's been downloaded to. Okay, and what we first need to do is this, and this is in the instructions, is unblock this file. So we just use properties, and we're going to click unblock. And we need to do that because we just downloaded this file from the internet. Okay, we're going to extract it. Okay, I'm just going to extract it just where it is in this downloads folder for now. Okay, that's all extracted, so you see that you'll have this Certdog free folder here. Now just to make things a little easier, I'm just going to move that straight to the C drive, which will just make it easier for me running my scripts. Oh, not that, there. Okay, so there it is. Okay, so the next step, open a PowerShell window as administrator. Okay, and then we're going to navigate to where we just downloaded that folder, which was C Certdog free. And we're going to go into the install folder, and we're going to run the command that it told us to here, which is install demo PS1. Okay, and yes to continue. The warning given there is just that this is for demo purposes only. It will use known usernames and passwords and all that, but you can of course run the full install. Follow the links in the description to find out how to do that, but for now we're just going to click yes. Now this is going to download a couple of additional components and run through the installer. It takes just a few minutes to complete. Okay, so once that's complete, it will output some information about how to log on to the service. Now, to access this, we need to go to https 127.0.0.1. Okay, now we haven't installed an SSL certificate or configured Certdog with another trusted SSL certificate, so we'll get this warning initially. And we're just going to continue for now. And then we get to the main page. We're going to log in with the credentials that it showed here. Okay. And there we are, installed and ready to create CAs and issue certificates once that's been done. Now, one additional thing we can do is temporarily install this certificate that's giving us this error to remove that error there. So what we can do is we can go back to where the software was installed, Certdog free, config, SSL certs, and there's this db SSL root. What we're going to do is going to install that. This can be uninstalled afterwards. There's instructions on how to correctly install a trusted SSL certificate for the service, but for now we're just going to do this. Install into the local machine. Yep, and we're going to place it into the trusted root certificate authorities, and we're going to finish. Okay, so now if we take this URL, we close the browser and we reopen it and go back there, you'll see now the error message has gone. Okay, and that's it. Thank you.